Alright, hey guys, I just got my new Kink Hamlin Pro in, and I got a brand new Verde Eon 2013 from one of my bros. He just wants to start out, so, he wants to try out BMX and then he'll upgrade later. But starting from the back, we just got a regular cassette hub, brandless, with some spokes, tire, I think Duo, if I'm not mistaken. We got two-piece cranks instead of one-piece cranks, which is okay. Pedals. Yeah, just pedals. We got a seat. Plastic seat. Nothing. There's no cushion or anything. We got on the other side KMC chain and then Verde sprocket. And towards the front, we got a chromoly fork. And I'm pretty sure this is a high tensile frame. The stem is just a stem, and bars are high tensile bars with Duo grips with Duo bar ends right there. And the back rim and the front rim are basically the same thing, just non-brand parts. I mean, it's okay for starting. A lot nicer than what I had. Mine was from the dump, so it was made in Taiwan because that's where Asians are. Pretty sweet. But that's the Verde Eon 2013. Got kind of cut off. My front is the Kink Solus bars with it's Kink Hamlin, or my bad, Tony Hamlin's signature bars. Got the bullet stem. We got some shit grips. I don't know what they are, but they're really shitty. I think they're Mission, if I'm not mistaken. They're really crappy. I hate them. They're so not comfortable. Fork is Kink Foundation. I talked to you about the front rim. I think the Mission React hub with Supreme spokes, and then we got ourselves a Kink Lyra tire and the Black Sheep rim in the front. Double wall like a bounce. Flip this over. Sorry about my finger. This side we got ourselves a KMC chain, double half link chain. It's pretty sweet. And then we got ourselves the 28 tooth Kink Bedlam sprocket. I mean, pretty nice. I mean, hub's not too quiet, it's not too loud. It's about average. I'll let you guys hear that bow, but not too loud, not too quiet. But yes, it's lovely. It's so light compared to my last bike. Oh, shit. Ignore my bed. I know it's really messy. Yeah, my Kink Hamlin Pro bike. So amazing. If any of y'all want any other stuff, just let me know. There's my guitar and my amplifier and a light and the calendar, Eastern poster, painting I did. I'm Brazilian, so yeah. But that's my bike check. Thanks, guys. Have a good night.